Hello everyone, let's crochet this wheat ear fisherman hat. The crochet method is very simple. There are 5 pieces. You can use 3 colors or 5 colors. Start chain stitches. Start with 30 to chain stitches. Now let's turn back. Count to the 6th stitch from the end. We make 3 stitches half double crochet cluster stitches. In the same position. Skipping 3 stitches. On the 4th stitch. In the same position. Follow the previous crocheting method. Make one every 3 stitches. On the same stitch. Make 2 cluster stitches. You've reached here. In the last stitch. And hook a half double crochet stitch. Three chain stitches. Turn the fabric. In the middle of each pair of cluster stitch. According to this method, we still hook in the middle of every to-date stitches. In the last stitch, crochet a half double crochet stitch. Turn the fabric. And hook 3 chain stitches. Crochet to the 14th row. Okay, this piece, the 14th row has been sewn. Now let's take another piece. Let's start to sew the 2 pieces together. On any corner of this fabric. To sew, make a slip stitch. And the stone bridge is hard to hit. 2 chain stitches, then turn the fabric. Continue crocheting in the same place. In the first row of the other fabric, At the corresponding position, do a slip stitch. Continue. In the same position, it's still in its corresponding position. To finish the first row, and the two pieces are sewn together, you can see that the thread has reached the end. We still leave one stitch empty. A chain stitch, and make a half double crochet stitch here. Sew these two pieces together like this, and the sewing is done. Now let's start hooking the third piece. The third piece, also start from this corner. Now we need to tie a knot on the third thread. Start with 32 chain stitches. Pick up the back inner yarn of the 6th stitch. Okay, 32 chain stitches. Continue to hook a cluster stitch. Then skip 3 chain stitches. On the 4th chain stitch, the crocheting method is the same as the other 2 pieces, is exactly the same. Everyone finish crocheting this round by yourself. The first row has been finished. Now let's connect with this yellow one. This piece, we need to connect them at its corresponding position. Three chain stitches. Turn the piece. Continue to crochet the second row. The method behind are the same as the first row. When making the connection, when crocheting each row, when connecting yellow, you need to watch. On the corresponding row, just do the drawstring connection directly. Everyone can weave the white part by themselves. You can crochet it. When you crochet to the 13th row, we will tell you how to crochet. How to crochet the 14th row. Now the white. We have reached the last 13th row. Now let's crochet the last half double crochet stitch of the 13th row. Connect the corresponding side. Connect the yellow fabric. 2 chain stitches. And connect the corresponding side. The last one. The last stitch. Crochet a slip stitch. Turn the fabric over. The connection method is the same as the yellow one and the blue one. The connection between the white and blue, and the yellow and blue connection, so everyone still uses the same method to connect these two pieces. The main body of the wheat ear hat has been completed. Now let's start crocheting the edge. Use the thread of your favorite color. Or you can continue to crochet the edge. You can continue to crochet with the thread on the main body, or you can use each crocheting piece. We need to crochet 30 stitches. We need to crochet 120 stitches. The thread for the brim must be thicker than the main line. You can use double strands if the thread is as thick as the main body. Just keep crocheting single crochet stitches. Finish crocheting. Now the first round is finished. We'll make a slip stitch on the first stitch. In the second round, we need to increase 6 stitches. That is, increase 1 stitch every 19 stitches. Increase 1 stitch every 19 stitches. In the same stitch, crochet to single crochet stitches. This is the increase. Add 1 stitch every 19 stitches. A total of 6 times. For the third round, we still need to increase 6 stitches, which means it's 126 now. For the third round, we start to crochet double crochet stitches. In each stitch, we'll make a double crochet stitch. Okay, everyone, do the math. Don't forget to increase 6 stitches in the third round. Make 2 double crochet stitch. Like this. You need to crochet 6 of them in this round. The double crochet stitches of the third row, if you like this short edge and a short brim. I prefer a wider edge, so I will crochet another round. When crocheting, I will not increase or decrease. Just keep crocheting double crochet stitches without change stitch. Just crochet 1 in each stitch. Let's start from the first stitch and a slip stitch. After doing a slip together, and chain 1 stitch. Let's start to crochet the edge. Crochet a reverse single crochet stitch. We don't crochet each stitch directly. Like this. After crocheting a few more times, you can see it. This edge is quite beautiful. And the fisherman hat. We have finished crocheting it. This hat can be worn by men, women, and children, as long as you change the color. Okay, see you in the next video.